What's up guys, Knife Fanatic here, and today we're going to be looking at 5 fantastic EDC knives that are budget friendly. First, on the left we have the CJRB PYRITE in black G10, deep carry pocket clip, button lock with a nice stonewash finish on that AAR PM9 blade steel. Great detent on this knife. It's just such a nice size too for EDC, but I love the PYRITE. They really hit a home run on this knife. Next we have the Petrified Fish Beluga in this bluish green micarta deep carry pocket clip in a coated K110 blade steel. Great action. You can even front flip it if you want, or you can utilize the fuller there on the blade, just like that. But yeah, great action. Oops, excuse that. I'm not the best with front flipping. Next we have the MIGURON MOYARL here, with G10 scales, titanium milled pocket clip that is anodized blue with a nice blue pivot color to match. Really nice blade shape here, nice thumb hole cutout, and a nice finger choil as well. Awesome ergonomics. And the action on this guy is so good too. Reversible pocket clip, and let's see, the CJRB PYRITE also had a reversible pocket clip as well, and so does the Beluga. Moving on, we have the KUBEY Drake in G10 scales. Whoops, sorry, focus here. My camera is not wanting to focus on this black G10 here. There we go. So we got a flipper and thumb hole action knife here that is a liner lock. And this is a titanium pocket clip as well. Got a paracord, or a lanyard hole there rather. G10 back spacer. And the action on this guy is so good. All these knives here that I'm showing have such good action. Oops. Great flipper action as well. Love the blade shape. We got a 14C 28N blade steel on this knife. Great budget steel. It's gonna sharpen up really nicely. But that blade shape on this Drake is just really cool. And we do not have a reversible pocket clip on this knife. Next we have the BESTECHMAN RONAN. This is another awesome little knife. Deep carry pocket clip, G10 scales, thumb studs. Great action for this axis lock. Nice stonewash finish on this blade as well. Focus. There we go. And we do not have a reversible pocket clip for this knife either. But yeah, guys. Also, I want to mention some other variants of some of these knives that you can buy that are a little bit more premium. So for the PYRITE we have, let's see, I believe this steel one is maybe $10 more, but I don't really recommend this because to me the scales are very slippery. And then we also have a XL version of the PYRITE, which is a lot larger, and micarta. This is a great knife. I love it. Next we have the BELUGA. I don't have any other variants. The MIGURON, I feel like the Pagos is another great MIGURON knife that's similar in size. Great action. Nice little front flipper and thumb studs as well. But they're relatively I think they're very similar in price. Great action as well. The KUBEY, we have the, let's see, what is this one? KUBEY, I forgot the name of this. The Titius. Yeah, the KUBEY Titius. How could I forget a name like that? Yeah, this is the KUBEY Titius or Titius. Titius. Coated D2 blade. Nice deep carry pocket clip there, which is a reversible lanyard hole, liner lock, and ergonomics are great on this knife as well. Yeah. And then for the BESTECHMAN RONAN, we do not have any other variants for it, but yeah, guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Knife Fanatic out.